What's going on, Pectus Warriors? I'm in Siargao, Philippines, and coincidentally one of you, a Pectus Warrior, someone who subscribed to me for years, signed up to my coaching last week. He's from the UK, I'm from Australia, we're from the other sides of the world, and coincidentally we're both traveling to Siargao on the same day. And so we're here now, and this is his second session ever on my program, and I'm meeting up with him at the gym to take him through it. So this will give you some good insight into how I program for my clients, give you some exercise tips and stuff for Pectus, and you can copy this workout as well and see how you go.
All right, first up, we've got dumbbell chest press, 3 sets by 8 to 12. And so far, Joe is moving pretty well flawlessly, which is very good to see. Good controlled tempo. It's perfect, man. Yeah, touch the chest all the way on the way down. Alright, and then we're supersetting this with cross grip dumbbell press at about 70% of his working weight on the neutral, where he holds the dumbbell heads together. Yep, pull your elbows in nice and tight and really try and feel the squeeze in your inner chest. Perfect. You feeling that in your chest?
Definitely.
Alright, awesome. And this is AMRAP, so this is literally a burnout to failure, which it looks like it's doing. Good, keep going. This is to failure. Let's go, feel it around the pectus. Yep, squeeze. Good intensity, good work. If you can get one more, go for it. Squeeze, drive, 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 drive. Drive. Yes, good intensity, well done.
The master in action.
Oh, fuck. Woo. Alright, now we're going on to single arm dumbbell rows, countering the chest with back. Joe's on 3 days a week because he hasn't trained consistently for a couple years. So 3 days a week we're doing full body workouts to start. So start with chest always and going into back. Nice, mate. Perfect form. Really feel that squeeze in your back. Really good. We're doing some band assisted pull-ups. It's supposed to be wide grip lat pull down, but we don't have access to that here in the island. So we're doing band assisted. As a sub, you just hook the band and step in it. And we're gonna try and get 5. Ah, no, 4 it is, that's good, that's good. Alright, now we've got some goblet front squats. Perfect depth, perfect form. Really good. 3 sets, 8 to 10. Man, I was hopeful in this video that you would have bad form and I could correct you for the video, but you fucking... Oh shit, I've got it wrong. You've nailed everything. Well done. Now we're going into abs. Butterfly sit-ups. Nice beginner-friendly ab exercise. Going to touch his toes, come all the way back and touch overhead. 15 reps. Good. Really focus on your abs when you crunch up. 15 reps of that. And he's going straight into Russian twist. 30 feet off the ground. I want you to touch the kettlebell on each side. Touch it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, Feel that burn in your obliques. 10, 11, 12. Keep the rip there. 13, 14. We want to work. Try and get 30 on your first sets. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Alright, that's it. You went failure. That's the goal.
Alright, so Joe had butterfly sit-ups. I'm doing big sit-ups. A slightly more advanced, harder variation. Obviously, everybody's on a different journey. I personalize the program to the individual. So for Joe, he's on more beginner-friendly variants to start. And every 4 weeks, I'll update this program and make it get harder.
Done, bro. Well done.
Let's do it.